Good day, sir. I am Adrian Y. Montibon. I am going to present my proposed single-story residential building. I have three main topics to present, and I'm going to explain the lighting layout, the power layout, and the load computations of my design. I have here the loads of my panel boards, the number of quantity of my loads, also the watts and volts, and also the currents of my loads, the circuit breaker ratings and the number of poles, and also the wires and conduit used in my design. Lightning layout. I have two lightning outlets at 12 watts pin light. In order to get the total watts or power, we multiply 12 watts to the number of quantity of the lightning outlets in order to get 120 watts. To get the current, we divide it by 230 volts in order to get 0.52 amps. This is also applicable in the second outlet. In the circuit breaker rating, I used only 15 amps since the currents are small, and also it helps to save the client's budget a little bit. The size of wire is 2 to 3.5 mm squared THHN. Conduit is 15 mm diameter PVC. In the power layout, the convenience outlet total power is 2340. Each outlet has 180 watts, and I multiply it by 13, the number of convenience outlet, in order to get 2340. And to get the current, we just divide it by 230 volts in order to get 10.17 amps. It is also applicable in refrigerator and the range outlet. The watts of my refrigerator is 500, and the watts of my range is 1500 watts. The circuit protection rating is 20 amps. The size of wire is 2 to 3.5 mm squared THHN. Conduit 15 mm diameter PVC. In the air conditioning unit at 12 horsepower, the total power of the two air conditioning unit at 2 horsepower is 5520. And in order to get the current, just divide it by 230 volts. It is same with the ECU outlet at 1.5 HP. The circuit breaker rating I used is 30 amps. The size of wire is 2 to 5.5 mm squared thermoplastic high heat resistant nylon. Conduit is 15 mm diameter PVC. The schedule of loads. The method I use is full load method since it's more accurate than the area method and it's simpler than the area method. The formula is 0.25 times the highest current in the loads plus the total full load current in the load. We get 0.25 times 12 plus 74.07 amps. So in order we get 77.07 amps. To get the kVA, just multiply it by 230 volts. The main circuit protection I used is 180, 18 KIC, 2 pole, 230 volts, 60 Hz, MCC B bolt-on type. And the transformer is only 25 kVA since the total kVA of my loads are only 17.726 kVA. So this is my transformer used 25 kVA. This is the service entrance. The main feeder is Wire is 2 to 30 mm squared THW wire, and I use 32 mm dia RAC pipe. This is the meter, and this is the panel boards. This is my legends and specifications. That's all, sir. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.